Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. Fine. I got it.
Okay. How are you?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm over the moon. I am very excited.
Okay. Remove the
Okay,
earphone.
ma'am. But my house middle in the market, so lots of vehicles noise
No,
come
no,
here.
no, no. When you remove the earphones, the voice will be better.
Because ma'am, my house is middle in the market, so lots of noise come. Vehicles moving here and there, so that's the reason, ma'am.
So there is so much noise. Your house is in the middle of the market. So your name is Neetu, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Neetu, tell me about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to me. And ma'am, I'm very excited today. My name is Neetu Thakur. I was born and brought up in a small village called Rehli near Sagar district of MP. And if you talk about my family, so there are 5 members in my family: me, my husband, my son, my mother-in-law, my father-in-law. And if you talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are quite different. I like biking, horse riding, tractor driving, and yeah, I'm a teacher by profession. I have 14-year experience, and I have done MA in political science, and I have BEd and NTT degree also. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's great. And you are working as a teacher. So what do you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, ma'am, I'm a mother teacher of class PG, and I am also teaching teach to Sanskrit class 7th and 8th.
Okay, you teach Sanskrit and class teacher of PG classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Neetu, let's try to have a conversation between you and your principal. Let's say I am your principal and you are Neetu. You have come to me. I am the principal. So first of all, you, I think, ask, may I come in, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
please ask.
Okay. May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, Neetu, definitely. Come in, please. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Have
how
a
is
good day.
everything going, Neetu?
Pardon me?
How is everything going in your class?
Yeah, ma'am, everything is going very smoothly, but one parents came and he has some problem related to message. He didn't get a message in a time. He doesn't get message on time.
Okay. Okay, you mean to say on the WhatsApp group, class WhatsApp group, these parents,
ma'am.
these parents are not getting messages on time. That was the
Yes.
complaint. Okay. So he raised
Yes,
that
ma'am.
complaint. So how are you going to solve it? Why are they not
So-
getting the messages?
Yes, ma'am. So I think his mobile number change. I think so. I want to his new number, and after that I join in this group, and I will send message again.
Okay. So you are going to change his number in the WhatsApp group so that the number gets updated. And Neetu, I think I would suggest that every 15 days you should speak to all parents on phone so that you are aware that the correct number is there and the correct people are getting the messages. So that it doesn't happen that someone doesn't get the message and you don't even know about it. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for this advice. But, ma'am, I also send related to number message in this group. Please send your new number. If you change your number, so please send at least one or in your diary. So I added your number in this group.
Okay. So they are supposed to write a diary note whenever they change their number, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So that's great. And was there any other complaint in the PTM this time?
No, ma'am. Parents are very satisfied. You know very well about me. Parents are happy. I give extra attention for their kids and over pampering. So they are very satisfied. You know very well, ma'am, about me.
Okay, so all the parents were satisfied because you give so much attention to their children. Like,
Yes, ma'am.
It's like individual attention you are giving to everyone. That's great.
Yes.
And what about Divya, who failed Sanskrit? So what did her parents say?
Ma'am, she is not attend regular basis classes. So I think that's the reason behind. She is sick. So she is not attend class properly. So I think that's the reason behind. But yeah, she is improving a lot nowadays.
Okay.
And this attempt she give better result.
Okay, you mean to say Divya was sick, she was not keeping well, that is why she did not attend classes regularly. Since
Yes.
she did not attend classes regularly, she could not understand the concepts. That is why she failed
Yes.
Sanskrit test. Okay, otherwise she is good.
She is good, but his handwriting also not good. It's very difficult to read. But yeah, nowadays I am give extra practice for her writing.
Okay. Okay, her handwriting is also not good, but otherwise she is good. So you have been giving extra practice for handwriting to do one thing, Neetu. Since she is behind other students, since she could not come to school, so please arrange a few extra classes so that she covers all the topics that were taught in the class. You can give her extra 2-3 extra classes.
Ma'am, it's not possible because I am taking regular basis classes, and I all the syllabus sent in a group, and I send Divya course personally in group, and I suggest this is our first unit test course, and his parents or her parents also replied to me, yes, ma'am, thank you for sending this syllabus, but I think she is not getting she is not getting good marks because she is not well. So I think that's the reason behind.
Okay, but now she's okay. Now she's fine. Now you mean to say that you will not be having extra time and you have given the syllabus to the parents because you have been taking classes on a regular basis. So we can do one thing. We can suggest her parents that she has to take some tuitions. She has to take tuitions for a while, Sanskrit tuition, so that she can cover all the syllabus, which she could not do in the last UT. And after that she can continue studying in the class.
But ma'am, I always suggest to the parents, please don't take any tuition because I explain chapter very well, or I revise twice one chapter twice. So
but
no
what
need
do you
to going
suggest? But tell me, you don't have any time to give her the extra classes. And if she doesn't take tuitions, what will happen to those chapters which she could not cover in the...
I explained one chapter in a 2 times.
Okay. You
With the
explained one
activity.
chapter 2 times. So she was absent for about 10 days. What will happen to that syllabus?
It's first unit, we take only two chapter,
Okay. Okay.
not 3 or 4. It's not compulsory. You take tuition only for 2 subject, 2 chapter.
Okay. You mean to say only 2 chapters were left? She missed just 2 chapters. So you can ask
Yes.
you can ask some student who can explain those chapters to her because children have a lot of time. Yeah. Some good
Yeah.
student, you think that will be a good option.
Yeah, next time. Yeah, ma'am. Thanks for this good suggestion. Next time I will try. They are good in study in my subject, so I will definitely say to her or him, you
Yeah.
go and help them for Divya.
Yeah. Ask a good student of your class to explain those 2 chapters to Divya. And then when you take test, watch closely how Divya has performed so that you know that she has understood those 2 chapters or not. Right? All the other classes where you are mother teacher, those are doing well. All the kids are doing well.
They are toddler. They are very small kids.
Yeah.
It is, a different type of pattern and different type of lines. So yeah, slowly, all the students know very well.
Okay. Does any child cry when their parents go?
Yes, and yeah, when they come start coming in school. So that time I face lots of problem, but slowly they are very familiar to me.
Okay. So when they initially started coming, they used to cry a lot. But now, since they have become familiar to you, now they don't cry. They are okay. They spend good time with you, right? So you have been treating them like a mother.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
see
So
you
it's
love
happy.
children. I can see you love children, and that is why I want you to be in my school always. You are my best teacher. Neetu?
Yes, ma'am. Then my student go another class after passing out. So they missed a lot because they give unconditional love for me, and I also. So they miss a lot, ma'am. I don't want to go there. Please, don't send there.
Okay.
She give lots of because when you jump class, so your syllabus also become lengthy. So
Yeah, right.
they are actually in starting time. So they come and complain, lots of complaint to their teacher, ma'am. No, don't send there. I'm here. I am not doing any kind of. I'm not make any kind of noise, and I'm sit properly.
Okay. You mean to say the children who are promoted to the next class, they start missing you and they say, ma'am, we don't want to go to the next class because the syllabus is more, there is more burden of syllabus, plus you are not there. And they were so much in love with you. Now they don't want to go to any other teacher, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So good. Neetu, you have been handling these children very well. I am so proud of you. And you have been working on your English also. You will be very fluent after a while when you keep working at it. That's great. So this was the principal teacher conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
You have been working as a teacher for 14 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how old is your son?
She is running 20, ma'am.
Okay. Your
He is
daughter?
running.
He.
He is running. No.
Okay.
He is running 20.
Okay.
Not she. He is 20.
So 19th year is complete. Now 20th is running.
Yes, ma'am.
He is in college.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is he doing?
Yeah, he is a student and become second year. He is studying, become second year.
Okay. He's doing BCom
And
second.
doing any other job.
Okay. And what does your husband do?
He is a taxation advocate, ma'am.
Okay. So why do you want to learn English?
Very beautiful tech teacher. I have my name on it, so that's why it's mandatory.
Okay. It's mandatory to be fluent in English.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do these teachers speak in English, the other teachers in your school?
Yeah, ma'am. My school have atmosphere, and most of the teachers speak English there. But I'm a mother teacher of class PG, so I have no need to speak much English. But I want to learn English, and I give them more facilities and environment for my toddler. So that's why.
Okay. So you want to teach them well, you want to teach them English also. And the other teachers, they speak in English, but in your class, you don't need much English because you have to teach just, ABCD and all that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And in your area, the neighbors, the shopping malls and markets, do people speak English in the nearby area?
Ma'am, nowadays it's global language. So everyone try to speak English, my front of one shop in front of my house. So their shop name Graduate Batase Wala.
Okay.
And he speaks.
Okay. He speaks English.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. You
In
mean to
front
say
of-
everyone tries to speak English and there is a shop in front of your house. He has written
Yes, ma'am.
Graduate Batashe Wala on the banner. And he also speaks
ma'am.
English. Okay. So whenever you go to market to buy clothes or anything, the people or the shopkeepers, they speak in English.
Not much, ma'am. A little bit. It depends on you. If you ask anything in English, so of course they reply in English because nowadays everyone know English very well. And shopkeeper also appoint employees. They know English because nowadays they goes for shopping. So they speaks English. So
They speaks English and they goes, both are wrong because with they,
Yeah.
we have to say go and speak.
they
We
go
don't have
and
to
they
put-
speak. Okay.
Yeah, we don't have to put S or ES. So you can say
Yes.
they go for shopping, they speak English, right?
Okay. Okay. Both are.
Okay. When you are in your school and there is a meeting, do you find it difficult to converse with other teachers and the principal in English?
Yeah, I face many language barrier there, but nowadays I'm trying. So she appreciate me and motivates me.
Okay. They appreciate you and they motivate you because now you are trying. So that means when you
Yes.
converse with other teachers, there is some difficulty which you face, right?
Yes,
What kind of meetings happen in your school?
with the principal or with the parent. When principal ma'am organize teacher for all teacher, so
Okay.
we sit together and take part. And PTM meeting, so we separately attend our class meeting.
Okay, principal conducts meetings in which all teachers take part. And in PTM, you have to speak to the parents. There also you feel
Yes.
it is difficult?
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am, because they ask the same question in which subject my son in gray area and what kind of a step we take from enhance his writing and reading. So they ask similar question. So I'm able to give a reply.
Okay. You don't face any problems when you are talking to the parents. Yeah. But when
Yes,
you
ma'am.
speak to the principal, let's say you are alone, you are talking with the principal only, and there are no other teachers.
See,
So
see.
when she is discussing something, then you face problems because you can't
Yes.
give your opinion.
Yes, ma'am. So when I give my opinion, so I forget all the sentences. They not come in my mind, but I speak a little bit Hindi and a little bit English. I speak English and use Hindi, and then after again turn in English and speak Hindi. So she appreciate me because earlier I am not able to speak any single word because I am start journey learning journey in the month of November. And ma'am, when I connect earlier, so I'm not able to correct pronounce he and she, all the sentence incorrect. But nowadays I am improving a lot after watching your video.
Okay. So earlier you were not even able to form a single sentence correctly.
Yes,
Now you have been watching my videos, so now you have improved a lot. Your English is
Yes, ma'am.
improved now. And your
Yes, ma'am.
principal, when you talk to your principal, you forget everything and words don't come to your mind. But then you start speaking in Hindi, then English, then Hindi. And she also appreciates you because earlier you were not able to speak English at all. Now you are speaking English plus Hindi and English.
Yeah, so ma'am, nowadays I am elaborate to my point in a easy way. It's not correct. She also know, but I will. I'm trying. So she knows very well. So that's why she appreciate me, and I'm the example in my school. She, all the time saying other teacher, look at Neetu. She is improving a lot, and follow her.
Okay. Okay. So
And
your
you know,
principal appreciates
no one
you.
speak, no one speak with me, but I am watching your video, and I am improving a lot, ma'am. And you have proof if you watch my video. So I am not that time elaborate my opinion, my point in a easy way. I have no idea that time how to he different between he and she.
Okay. Okay.
You know, ma'am, you are so busy. You have session every day. So
You are watching videos. Which kind of videos are you watching on my channel?
all the time, ma'am, you looking so sexy in one reel. I also send message there. And when you make nowadays you make a video with your husband and I think your mother or
Yes,
mother-in-law,
yes, yes.
I don't
That's
know.
my mother. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Short
So
videos
when
I make with my husband and
Yeah.
mother. Yeah.
don't you say Wednesday, and yeah, I watched your shorts video and sometime long video also.
Okay. Thank you so much. And you watch mainly conversation videos, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You mean to say that your principal appreciates you and she tells other teachers also that look at Neetu, how much she has improved. She is working hard. Yeah.
But ma'am, you know, no one know my hidden talent. No one know I'm working my enhancing English nowadays. I'm watching lots of video and the conversation content. No one know. Only except two, my principal and my senior.
Okay. So except
And
your
no one.
principal and your seniors, nobody knows how much effort
No.
you are putting in and nobody
Yeah.
knows about your hidden talent. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yes,
no
ma'am.
one knows. We would say no one knows. Right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
Neetu,
No one knows.
Yeah, no one.
And ma'am, you know, ma'am, thank you very much because you know you always appreciate me. You always motivate me. You always heard my cracking sentences, and you never, interrupt while conversation. You are wrong. You are doing wrong. You always appreciate me. So that's why I am progress and I am improving a lot. When you interrupt while conversation and laugh at me, so how it possible?
Correct. When someone laughs at a person who is trying to learn English, the person will be demotivated,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, Neetu, it was a lovely session. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Okay, ma'am. And
Okay,
you
Neetu,
ma'am,
best
thank you.
of luck. Yeah. What did you say?
For me.
Actually, I couldn't hear. What did you say?
Thank you very much for giving me your precious and valuable time for me. And you know, you always ask different question and you always correct. So yeah, I'm very happy because I'm speaking front of you. The reason behind the reason behind you, ma'am. I am connected first time with you, and I'm very happy that time. and I sent second message for you. So you said to me, you upload Zoom app. You suggest me how you create this app, and I face little difficulty while uploading this app. So you suggest me. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I also loved talking to you, Neetu. So best of luck. You will be fluent. Just keep working hard and talk to other YouTubers also so that you keep getting English practice every day. Right? Keep practicing
Okay, ma'am.
English every day. Yeah. Okay. Bye
So,
bye.
okay, ma'am. Recollect for your channel. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome.
Okay,
Most
bye-bye.
welcome. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Same
Bye.
to you.